All right, let's dive into the wacky world of courtroom antics and presidential immunity battles, where even the most serious legal proceedings can't escape a dash of humor. Picture this: a courtroom packed with lawyers, judges, and enough drama to rival a season finale of your favorite legal drama. It's the Supreme Court, the grand stage where the fate of former President Donald Trump's legal immunity hangs in the balance. But forget about your typical stuffy courtroom atmosphere. This one's got more twists and turns than a roller coaster at an amusement park. First up, we've got former President Trump himself, the man of the hour, or should I say the defendant of the century. He's claiming absolute immunity from prosecution over election interference, but it seems like the justices aren't buying it. I mean, who wouldn't want immunity from their problems, right? If only we could all claim presidential privilege the next time we get a parking ticket. But hold on to your gavels, folks, because it's not all smooth sailing for the prosecution either. Special counsel Jack Smith is itching for a speedy trial. But with the Supreme Court involved, things are about as fast-paced as a sloth on a Sunday stroll. I guess when you're dealing with the highest court in the land, you can't rush justice, even if it means keeping the popcorn vendors in business a little longer. Now let's talk about the justices themselves. You've got your usual suspects: Neil Gorsuch, Brett Kavanaugh, and Amy Coney Barrett, all handpicked by Trump himself. But even they seem a bit wary of handing out a golden ticket of immunity to their former boss. It's like watching a group of referees trying to call a game where the players keep changing the rules every 5 minutes. Talk about a legal minefield. And then there's Justice Clarence Thomas, who's been around the block a few times and isn't afraid to speak his mind. He's not buying into Trump's claims of absolute immunity, reminding everyone that even the president isn't above the law. It's like a real-life episode of Law and Order, complete with the wise old judge dropping truth bombs left and right. But let's not forget about the elephant in the room, the timing of it all. With the 2024 election looming like a dark cloud on the horizon, everyone's wondering if Trump's legal woes will make or break his chances of a comeback. I can almost hear the campaign slogans now. Make America immune again, or vote for Trump. He knows how to dodge a conviction. In the end, it's anyone's guess how this legal circus will play out. Will Trump emerge victorious, his immunity intact? Or will justice prevail, sending shockwaves through the political landscape? One thing's for sure: with this much drama packed into one courtroom, you'll want to grab a front row seat and some extra butter for your popcorn. After all, when the Supreme Court gets involved, you never know what kind of plot twists are in store.